to Ray's world famous Chiliburgers. Take a look at the outside. Courtney here is going to show you a couple things on the outside. And then come on in and I'll show you what the inside looks with a full built-out restaurant inside of a shipping container. Here we are inside Ray's. We have 8-foot ceilings. We're actually inside a 40-foot shipping container where we built an entire restaurant. This is a video to tell you about Ray's and what Ray's is. And Ray's is not just a restaurant. Ray's is something that has never been done before, that you've never seen before, and that you've never even thought of before. We built this restaurant, which we're going to show you right now, for about right in the area of $150,000, just one. Okay. Right now you're looking at the front of the restaurant. We have here an entire restaurant, and we have chosen to partner up with Toast POS systems. We have here 2 walk-ups, 2 of our screens. Each particular station has a printer, a credit card machine, and a cash drawer. Okay, great. So we have 2 drive-thrus. One is here. Here's our input screen, our printer, our credit card, our cash drawer. Here's our other screen over here. Okay. One of the many reasons why Ray's is going to succeed in really a phenomenal fashion is because we are really fast. Fresh, hot, delicious food that's really fast. Every time a customer comes to our windows and makes an order, once we have the order, we start the clock. The clock is counting. We want to get our customers' food to them within 60 seconds. Ray's, when it comes to food production, is exactly like McDonald's in 1970. McDonald's in 1970 had your food amazingly fast to you. When you handed the money to someone, to the McDonald's guy, somebody handed you your food. And if you want to see that up close, live and in person, go to Netflix and watch The Founder movie there. So here's the front of Ray's. 2, as we said, 2 drive-thrus, 2 walk-ups, Pepsi Cola, 4 different whatever flavors here. Ooh, lots of ice. Okay, fine. So POS, time clocks, windows. We have a couple of service refrigerators right here where we're going to put our sweet